Alrighty guys, so I just got word my transmission is here. Now this is what they sent. Y'all remember the Durango I checked out last week? Had the boom, boom, boom banging in the gear and a couple hard fault codes. Okay, that thing was a high mileage and they never serviced it. Yeah, remember we talked about that? This is a ZF transmission. I think they left the... Okay, I was thinking the extension housing is still on there, but it's not. It needs some batteries as well. I got Mopar batteries, but I don't know who started. Now, I mean transmission. Now the thing about transmission, guys, like I said, I don't know if this is from a corporation, from a plant, or from a junkyard. Now let's say this about the ZF transmission. We talked about this before. If it's used, it has to come out of a vehicle that has the same features as the one I'm going in. Remember we keep talking about that, guys. If your vehicle have a floor shifter and the vehicle I'm putting this transmission in has a rotary shifter, it's not going to start. Now, before I open it, I don't want to open it. I want to take a peek because, again, I can't see if it's a junkyard or a new transmission, reman transmission. I guess I can. I see a blue torque converter. I don't want to open too far, guys. Y'all going to get me in trouble. Oh, I thought that was blue. Oh, that's just blue writing. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? This is just some junkyard transmission that they made look pretty. Yeah, like that. This ain't no like a Jasper or something that was nice and shiny and painted. It's just some used transmission. Yeah, it come out of a, look, same year, 15 Durango, but I'm telling you, the Durango had a couple of options. I mean, it could go either way, a rotary or a floor shifter. If it's not, I can't remember the one I was working on. Simply can't remember. But I don't know what this is. So, and now, let me tell you the best way to make sure you don't put in the wrong transmission. Simply get the VIN off the vehicle. Like whatever this came out of, I hope we got the VIN. All this paperwork, I'm sure the VIN of the vehicle that we got this out of on here. So before I even attempt to put this in the car, you know what I'm going to do? Take this VIN paperwork, I'm sure the VIN on that somewhere. Go to the parts department, look this transmission up, look up me a transmission based off this VIN. All right, you know what that'll tell me? Once he give me the part number, I'm gonna say, now cross-reference that to this, and I'm gonna give him the repair order to the Durango I'm working on. If he say it's the same transmission, then we good to go. If he say it's a different transmission, no, I'm not putting it in. Now here's the thing, people always say, man, go ahead and put it in, you get paid again. I don't want to do this shit twice. I don't want to do it once, let alone twice. There are some guys out there that operate like that. I'm putting it in. I don't care what. If it's wrong, I get paid again. Like those, that has to be the younger, energetic, guys that don't. This is 4-wheel drive. Who the hell want to wrestle with a transfer case and exhaust and drive shit? Who want to wrestle with that shit twice? No. Not JT. I know there's some cocky guys out there. Yeah, y'all go ahead. Y'all have fun with that. I only want to do this once. Like I say, because that's it. That's all I want to do it is once. So before I put this in, before I even split up the plastic, before I even open it, I've already partially opened it. But before I even open it, I'm taking that VIN and do just what I said. I don't know why they go with, okay, you can get junkyard batteries. Guys, these are the best batteries in the world. Mopar. Alright. They even got the auxiliary batteries, Mopar. So yeah, they had some codes, a lot of codes for low battery voltage, but the transmission was and no, I know what you're thinking. Maybe the low voltage was causing the transmission to act funny. No, you will have to see these codes. And they say they had transmission problems before the battery started acting up. Battery just reached its life point. Okay, that happens, guys. You be lucky to get 2 or 3 years out of a battery nowadays. So let me go bring this Durango in. No, but yeah, I can at least bring it in, and then I'm gonna do what I mentioned earlier. All right, that's all I have, man. Let me get out of here.